afternoon, Double Dippers. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Our favorite park to come to. Nice, cool park to come to, both temperature-wise and things to do, especially with Kona. We're gonna go see the Nemo musical, which Kona's very excited about, and maybe a couple other things, but we'll see. But I will admit, there's both a lot and not a lot to do for toddlers in this park, because like you have Navi River Journey, you have the safari,
there's a Bug's Life.
Yeah, Bug's Life, but Kona's terrified of that.
The dig site.
The dig site. There's like activities and stuff to do, not a whole lot of attractions to do like there is at like Magic Kingdom, but he enjoys this park, we enjoy coming to it. It's also one of the least busy parks, which makes it even more appealing. But anyway, we're gonna head over to, well, maybe not the Nemo musical yet. I think it's got 20 minutes until the next show, but we might need to go ahead and get in line, so we'll see. In less than a week now, we'll finally be able to interact with these here statues. You can already see the speakers that they've installed. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Right over there. It'll be really fun to actually be able to interact with these, as well as do the Star Wars adventure, the bounty hunting mission. Anna's already gotten her spot over here for the bird show, so it appears we're going to go do that. But I remember them saying annual pass holders will be among the first to experience Magic Band Plus, but as a pass holder I have not gotten any information about any sort of early access. Maybe I can order it through my Magic, like I haven't ordered my Magic Band for my annual pass for this moment, because they announced it right after we got our annual passes. So I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully we'll get to show it to you guys soon. Dang it. Just missed it. Yeah, dinosaurs. We're going to Dinoland. We decided to bypass the bird show for today and go on to the Nemo show because it's about to start. Also, it looks like they're getting ready for kite tails. What a park to come to. So many things to experience, so many shows to see. Such a great park. Too bad nobody else cares about this park. Got a much better seat this go around. We're a couple rows back, but we're in the bottom section. Unlike last time, we're at the very, very back of the theater.
I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Why don't we tell them?
What does that mean? I tell it best.
Well, I don't think you
Listen up. These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together.
Ready to fish? Here they have
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in that big blue world? I'm gonna go explore.
I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know. We were just leaving.
I'd like to invite you to a little party.
What's a big horse, mate?
Couple of tasty bites. Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all sign the pledge. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not food.
Sharkbait, you're one of us now. And we can't send you off to your death. Darwin's coming in 5 minutes. Everything else.
Together, we stand together. Little wild fish, you're our ticket to break it free.
If we all join hands, everybody wins, and we'll stand together. We
You just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Life isn't all that grim. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. Children, huh? It's awesome. They're eggs on a beach, then they find their own way back to the big old blue. Get ready for Sydney. Your exit's coming up. Oh, Crush, I forgot. How old are you? 150, dude. It's still young. Right, Justin? Right, Justin? Yeah.
Well, that was definitely fun. Colton definitely enjoyed Nemo. We had a great spot for it too. The only thing I'll say about our spot is it happened to be in between the two like bubble blowers. So Colton didn't get to pop any bubbles except for like one or two that strayed over there. That was a very minor thing. Just a note. Like if you look above you, you can see where the two different bubble blowers are. But we're heading over to Restaurantosaurus to get some water and cool off a minute. It's not terribly hot out today, but it is still summer in Florida, so we just gotta keep cool, keep hydrated, and keep having fun. Also, I'm wearing my Chester and Hester shirt today to come to Dinoland. I actually just got this from a page called Motley Kingdom, and they're actually doing a closeout sale, so if you would go check them out on Instagram or their website and buy some shirts, because they got some really great shirts. It's a shame that they're going out of business. Alright, we changed our minds. We came to the Restaurantosaurus Lounge. Well, I got the Raptor Refresher, which we haven't had before, and I got the T-Rex because it's what I liked before. What's it taste like?
I'm not sure. I get like a hint bit of like strawberry and Sprite. You try it. I'm not sure.
Yep, it's very faint flavor.
Day 2.
Alright, Double Dippers, it is the next day. We are at Hollywood Studios. We are going to do stuff here. Most everything's closed, like meet and greet wise. We can't. I really want to get Kona to see Chewbacca. We might do that tomorrow because I have the day off tomorrow. But yesterday it started raining, got too hot. By the way, just a pro tip for those of you coming during the summer: it will rain, it will storm every day. Bring ponchos, bring, I don't know, boots if you need to. Whatever is going to make you the most comfortable when it gets wet. Bring a waterproof bag. We don't have those, but if you do, I'd recommend keeping some dry clothes in there to change into. Make your life a lot more comfortable. Coming to the parks and getting soaked is not a pleasant experience. But yeah, it's not feeling like a very busy day here at Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, I think it all.
But we're gonna make a game plan and get right back to you. Alright, so I forgot to mention, I've actually bought a Legacy lightsaber. I bought it at the cast member store, so I got a discount on it. But I also don't know if it works, so I've not tried putting the blade in it. Yes, it did come with the 2 side blades and the box. I have the 2 side blades in my bag, just so I can carry it on a belt clip. But we're gonna go to the store and see if they'll let me test it out. Alright, so we're inside the Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. Thought we'd take a look around at all the, actually this line's moving a lot quicker than it did the last time I was here, but thought we'd look around at all the random theming that they have on the walls here. I've heard that the Mandalorian's helmet here was actually there before the show started. So there's like a lot of stuff that's like revealed itself to us as the movies and shows have progressed. But obviously there's this lovely animatronic Duck Gondar, since this is his store. Alright, so I did get a blade, and I will show off that a little later. For now, we are going to go get on Toy Story Mania, because the new store has reopened for, I can't remember what it's called, Jessies, something or another. Final score, 180, 800 to 155, 900. Sucker! Sucker! No,
I won.
that's not me. Dang it, I'm not even the best in this thing vehicle. Dang it. Now I feel terrible. As we come off the ride, welcome to Jay. Welcome to Jay. I swear we're gonna find the name of the store. Wait. Jessie's Trading Post. There you have it. 22 pieces included. Whoa, it's like the same merchandise but displayed differently. There's a lot of Lightyear merchandise. Was the store not big enough before? Because like it was a decent size. But they just needed to sell more stuff. What is it?
He wants to tell you about it.
You see socks? We haven't actually seen that movie. Oh, they have a...
Oh, it's animated.
Wait, there you go, Bo Peep Magic Man. Couple Lightyear pins. Oh, the new Toy Story Land pin. A couple. Very cool. Yeah, I don't see any like new merchandise though, besides those pins.
Besides the Lightyear.
Yeah, besides the Lightyear stuff. They have lots of Rex. Apparently Rex they've found is a very popular character. Anyway, we're gonna head out now. So long, partners. Alright, we're getting on Slinky Dog Dash right before we go to Galaxy's Edge to showcase my lightsaber. Hopefully. It's past Park Close, so I hope they still let us over there. But we did get back a row, so I'm excited about that. Figured I'd do a POV this time since I usually video myself on this one. And it looks really nice at night. Woo! Fireworks going off too. Here we go. Winding up.
Hang on! Here we go!
There you go. Actually working today.
This is my favorite song. Won't you sing along?
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
We got our own monorail cabin on the way into Magic Kingdom, and Kona's enjoying it. Mom, you gotta move over here now.
I'm gonna stay here. Thank you.
Mom, you gotta move over here now.
Very careful.
Be careful, Bubba, we're moving.
Alrighty, folks, we got a little bit of a traffic jam here, so we're going to be holding here for just a few moments for traffic clearance. Once we get some distance between us and the monorail ahead of us, we will begin our forward motion. If you are standing, please continue to hold on to those silver handrails, and once again, please do not lean against those automatic doors.
Alright, Double Dippers, this is one of the most dumb things I've seen Disney do. So we're trying to get in the park, but they don't have a single one of these exits blocked off back here. So we were just swimming upstream through like thousands of people, and nobody was stepping to one side or the other. It was almost impossible to get in the park. The park is still open for another hour, 15 minutes, but you could not tell. Like, it does not seem like they want you in this park at all. It was ridiculous and stupid. And I'm not sure why they're not doing anything about it. They could at least block off one of these tunnels for people coming in, but they did not. There's also a ridiculous amount of people coming out of the park, like more than usual. It's very strange. We're getting on Teacups right now, and Teacups just closed, which means we'll be the only one. Holy crap! We'll be the only ones on this ride. Also, yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so the fireworks are going off. And apparently they launched right over here. Oh, there they are. They let the other people just stay on, so we won't be the last ones on today. Exiting Teacups with fireworks launching. So they launch above Winnie the Pooh and above Seven Dwarfs here. Very cool to see this, like the way they launch from here. I want to see if I can get a shot of this one launching. Nope. Alright, so we didn't get a chance to go into Galaxy's Edge because after we got a Slinky Dog Dash, they started ushering everybody out of the park because it was about 10 or 12 minutes after park closed when I got off. But I didn't want to show off my lightsaber that just hit the ceiling. We are going to be back, and I will get to show this thing off a little bit better in a day or two here in Galaxy's Edge. But for now, just wanted to get a little preview. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you would, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.